Pasin nyo na si Mika Salamanca sa bahay ni Kuya guys dahil masyado siyang matagal dyan. Hindi siya nag-attend sa binyag ng anak ko. I-vote! Ulam natin today. Chicken, egg, kamote. Kaya tamad na akong balatan tong kamote. Pwede ba kainin yung balat nito? Here's a story time of how I became best friends with Mika and why I think you should root for her. Parang nakilala ko ata siya nung 2019. Gumawa kami ng meet and greet / performance. Performers! Sabay-sabay kami na scam. Ba't ka tumatawa? Iba pa yung jowa niya na. Iba pa yung love team niya. Iba pa yung ilo. Parang younger sister ko siya, tas kuya niya ako, gano'n. Tapos nung naging close kami, winawalang hiya niya na ako. The reason why I think nag-work yung friendship namin because I see a lot of myself in her. Si Mika, always misunderstood by a lot of people. Dati, madalas ko din na-defend yung sarili ko. Hindi naman maiiwasan kasi yung bashing sa social media. Kahit sabihin mo sa 100 tao, gusto ka nung 99, maapektuhan ka pa rin kapag may isang sobrang hate ka. Alam mo yun? Habang tumatagal, dumadami yung issue niya. Controversial girl! She was often misunderstood to a point na never na siyang nagkaroon ng energy to even say anything to protect herself. Kahit ano namang sinasabi niya, hindi siya pinapakinggan. She has done a lot of mistakes in the past na napagsisihan niya at nakita ko talaga personally yung growth niya. Yung sa Hawaii, alam ko naman na pinahamak lang siya doon. Pero kahit ano sabihin niya, ang iisipin niyo, ay yung na-aresto doon sa Hawaii, blah blah blah. Naranasan ko na yun dati, yung walang nagsa-step up para i-defend ka kasi takot sila. I'm sure she felt terrible, she felt scared, and she felt helpless that time. But she did not ever try to destroy someone else's name. Masyado ko nang binubuhat yung bangko mo, may bayaran mo ako paglabas. If anything, sobrang saludo ako sa kanya. Out of all content creators that I have known, bugbog na yan. Bugbog na sa bashing, sa issue, hindi na uubos. Believe ako sa kanya. Kasi kung ako sa kanya, tagal ko na nag-quit. She had occasional mental breakdowns that nobody ever knew. But her heart was still the same. Pag friend ka niya, protektahan ka niya. Parang feeling ko VTR to. Happy birthday, Mika! Kasi alam mo, may one time na nag-abroad ako. I think it was also her birthday that day. So nag-celebrate siya. After nung celebration niya, take pa siya ng time to message me na, sorry, hindi kita na-remind na pumunta sa birthday ko ha. Kahit alam ko na nasa abroad ka. And I'm like, you don't need to do that. It doesn't matter if we don't see each other physically. What matters is how we're here for each other regardless. Sobrang saya ko na nakapasok si Mika sa PBB dahil ito yung isang opportunity na makita nyo who she really is without her even trying to explain or defend herself. Makikita nyo na lang what her personality is. And I'm sure everybody's still holding back at this point. But I'm so excited kung paano yung mga upcoming days. Tagal pa ba yung PBB? Tagal ka pa dyan, Mika? Labas ka na dyan.